So if there are number of users account in your Linux system and you have been doing some switch operations like doing some work in one user's account and switching from that user to another user, and some sort of time you may not be sure that in which user's account you are currently logged in. So how can you know that is by using the command called whoami. In my Linux system, I have been logged in Tarun's user's account, so it will display that Tarun is the standard user who you are currently logged in. And there is one more command called who, in which you can see that the users who are currently logged in that Linux system. For suppose in the company there may be many employees who are working in one Linux system, and you can see that whoever the users who are currently logged into the system by using the command called who. In my case, I'm only the user who was currently logged in my Linux system, so it will display only my name. And there is one more command called W, in which the first line will show you the system's information, and from next line onwards it will show you the table in which it displays the users who are currently logged in. It is same as the who command, but in what the extra information you will be getting in this is the how long the user is being in idle position, and what he was doing in his Linux system. In my case, this Tarun user is doing some work in this library, so it displays that in this library he was doing some work. And there is one more command called last, in which it show you the whole history of users logged in and logged out actions he has been taking in the Linux system. So basically, how in my case what it helped me is when I gave my laptops for some repair, and he's saying that he was doing some work in my Linux system, but when I had checked the last command in my terminal, it was not even open. So just by verifying that when the system is booted, I can know that when the system is open and he is doing some work or not. The last command displays the history of users login and logout actions along with the action time and date. As you can see here, this is the action time and date, how long he was logged in, and how long he has been logged in, and what time he was logged in, which date he was logged in. Something more information you'll be getting by using the command called last. And there is one more command called ID, in which you can know the ID of some user, like ID Tarun. Displays me the ID of that user called Tarun. This UID is 1001 and GID is 1001, and groups is 1001. Only one group was added, so it will display only of that one group ID, which is named as Tarun.